everywhere. Ask me what you want to know. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey.
Mga kabatch, happy 30 years anniversary sa ating lahat. Ang wish ko ay sana ay patuloy pa ang mga blessings nating natatanggap. Good health and happy life. Enjoy palagi, and God bless you all.
I have been to bliss, where I'll be tomorrow. I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a journey.
Hello mga classmates, kamusta kayo dyan? Sa mga teachers and sa mga naging advisors natin na present at invited ngayon dyan, kamusta po mga ma'am? 30 years na pala since nag-graduate tayo, so ganun na pala kabilis yung panahon, ano? Pero kung iisipin mo at aalalahanin, parang kahapon lang yung naging graduation natin. For sure, unlimited tawanan, unlimited chikahan na throwback, magre-reminisce ng mga panahon na yon. So yan ang mamimiss ko, yung kasiyahan ng batch natin. So bali, hopefully by next year sana maka-attend na rin at ma-experience ko rin naman makipagtawanan sa inyo at makipagkwentuhan. Anyway mga classmates, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Have a safe and memorable reunion. Enjoy. Ingat po, and God bless po. God bless.
Out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better.
Hello classmate, happy 30th anniversary to us. Enjoy sa Christmas nyo and stay safe. Bye.
Has been. What a journey it has been.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair, sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we
Happy 30th year mga kabatchmates! When I'm looking back and sharing my childhood experiences, I do remember mostly from my high school days. And those were the ones that I keep on reminiscing. Fun times kumbaga. I'm sure with those 30 years, we all become successful in our own ways. We might have our ups and downs during those times, pero ang importante ay marunong tayong bumangon and we learned from those experiences. Enjoy kayo with our reunion. Hopefully, majority of us will be able to attend next time. Have fun. Merry Christmas.
If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me.
Hi everyone! Kumusta na kayo? I can't imagine we are now celebrating our 30 years anniversary. I wish makasama niyo na ako sa mga susunod na celebration. Just enjoy, have fun. Goodbye!
If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Lilo Tavernilla from Loyalty. I'm glad to hear na magkakaroon tayo ng reunion. Kaso hindi ako makapunta. Hope you have a great time, guys. Wish ko lang next reunion maka-attend na ako. Ingat kayo palagi. Love you guys. God bless us all. Ciao a tutti!
Hello, kumusta sa lahat? Happy anniversary, ang bilis talaga ng panahon, 30 years na agad. Enjoy niyo yung araw na to. God bless everyone.
I'll be there for you when the road seems uncertain and you.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat, batch 1994. 30 years na pala tayo, parang kailan lang, ano? Congratulations sa ating lahat na nakarating tayo sa ganitong panahon na naka 30 years na tayo at okay pa naman tayo. Enjoy kayo sa ating reunion. Hopefully, at some point, makakatch up ako sa inyo dyan. Pag nakaluwag-luwag, magkikita pa rin tayo. Happy anniversary sa ating lahat. And enjoy.
Isn't kind, and your dreams they need more time. I'll be there for you. If the rules they breaking and the future is fading, I'll be there for you. The rainbow will land in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go when the stars won't shine anymore. I'll be there. Who knows where we'll go? What will tomorrow bring? When we have each other, just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and fly. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. The rainbow will.
Hello, batchmates. Hope you all have a wonderful and merry time today or tonight in our reunion. Happy holidays, everyone. Enjoy. Bye.
I'll be there.
Hello batchmates! Happy 30th anniversary to us. Sayang wala ako dyan sa reunion natin, pero enjoy kayo and have fun. Sana sa susunod makarating na ako. Ingat kayo dyan. Merry Christmas to all.
When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. I'll be
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirang abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko gayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang sa isang awitin. Parang kailan.
Hi everyone! Greetings from Oceana on board Regatta. Enjoy our batch reunion. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye!
Ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y naggalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko kayo ang handugan. Tatanda at lili.
Hi Batch 1994. Thank you for the extended invitation here. I am outside and enjoying this snowfall at the moment. I'm wishing everyone a joyous Christmas, a wonder-filled celebrations of your reunion, and may you all have a blissful New Year. Hope your hearts will be filled with love, humility, and compassion. Love you. Miss you all. Bye now.
Hello mga anak. Thank you for remembering me and inviting me in your class reunion. I'm so blessed having all of you as my former pupils. I wish you all good health, more success in your endeavors, and happiness. You will always be in my heart. I wish you early Christmas and happy reunion, everyone. I love you all.
Hi, Merry Christmas everyone. Pero gusto ko munang humingi ng apology kung hindi ko mapaunlakan ang invitasyon. Pero gusto ko sanang pumunta. Kaya lang maraming reason kung bakit hindi pwede. And one of the reasons, sabi ko nga kay Ai, meron ng mga prior appointments. Pero natutuwa ako kasi until now, malakas pa rin or very strong pa rin ang bonding. So I wish everyone to enjoy. And for this Christmas season, I wish you good health and stay safe everyone. Again, Merry Christmas.
Iiwanan sa inyo alaala dahil minsan tayo'y magkasama. Natanda at lilipasin ako, ngunit mayroon